Okay, students. In previous class, previous video, we have discussed about the how to store the data to form, how to represent the data in the form. So in this case, see here we are getting the data. What are the data we are inserting? So let us check it again. I would like to give S2 and SS at the rate gmail.com and phone number something. Now, and student. Say this particular object will be inserted properly. But here we are not loading it. Once you refresh the page, see there is a S2 is there, SS, Gmail, SS. For your reference purpose, it will be represented here. So that means you are go to the postman and send all the things. So now our present, see, we are inserted. Now our working uh, is we need to update and delete. So if we want to update and delete, first of all we need to write the code for update delete in REST API. So what is the problem is in app.js we need to use the this particular thing. What is this one? Express.json. So that means your provided data will not be converted as a JSON. So that's why it break the mistake. Now the important point is nothing but we need to implement the update and delete. So how to update and delete means we need to write the code in REST API. Okay. So how to implement the REST API? We are going to implement the student control. We don't want to create another table here. So how to we are going to create? So we need to use the function name exports dot update students update students or update student. So only single, and it is a asynchronous function, and it consists of the request and responses and arrow function. Create arrow function. This arrow function must and should be write the code try catch block error. So what is the variable you want to use it error. Okay. So response dot status 400 record not found or JSON format. You want to display message. So error dot message. Now in try we need to update it. So how to update it? Constant update student equals to write. So what is the MongoDB function? Relevant MongoDB function student dot. So find by ID and update. Find by ID and update. So here find by ID and update. So and find by ID and update, what are the parameters we need to pass it? It is a method, not a curly braces. So here we require to pass two things. One is nothing but a request dot params dot ID. So this ID is nothing but a MongoDB ID. Next, I would like to pass the body. Request dot body. Next, it consists. It is a new yes true comma run validator. So whether the content already existing or not, we require to know. We require to use run validators. Okay. So now once you got the response, so if not update students happen, not update students happen, we require to return a response dot status 404 JSON message student profile not phone. Our original result response dot status is the status. You give whatever it may be, 200 or 201, whatever, 200 dot JSON. So in JSON we require to give the update student written as an update student. So what is the response? Not update standards. Okay, so update student. So this is the functionality. Only one thing is here, new thing, one that is nothing but find ID and update. So we require to first of all find out the particular ID. That particular ID we need to be passed. That particular ID too we need to update the that particular existing data to new data. So that's why we are using the new and run validator. Whether you are run validation is existing data is there or not, we require to know. So that's why we pass these parameters. Let us check how to test it, but before that we need to add the route in the routers. So how to route add the routers? So let us check router dot update or otherwise put there is a no update. Okay, slash student slash colon. So you need to pass the parameter as a ID parameter. Next comma student. Here we require to add the that controller name as a update student. So what is the functionality updated? You need to add here update student. But where we are getting nothing, we are getting just call the controller directly. So we don't need to add in app.js. Why? Because we are only calling the this particular student only. Okay. So now we will check through the put operation. Put, okay, put and remove student API slash student. Go to student router student slash ID. Okay. So what is this ID? I want to modify that particular ID. So again, I put it as a first ID. So that is a MongoDB ID, not your student ID. Okay. Now go to body and raw as a JSON. In this particular JSON, we need to update the data. So what kind of data we need to update? This particular case, we need to update. So don't provide the MongoDB URI. So MongoDB ID is not required and version also not required. And this ID I would like to S3 and John write to SS and Doi SSS and student 4S and number 123 123 123 1. Okay. Now let us check whether it will be happened at any errors or cause. Okay. Uh, uh, Press send 200 OK. Now it written as a record. Okay, go to get operation and again press send. What will happen? See, first record changed as a SS3, SS, 4SS and 5SS, 123, 123, 123, 1. This is the update operation. Okay, so we will discuss the delete operation also in this particular same video. then only we can get both operations do with the front end. Okay. Now go to the student control. Again, we need to create a delete operation. So delete operation is very important and easy. So exports dot delete student equals to async request comma response, and again you need to write try catch error. Okay, response dot status of 400 dot message dot json message colon error dot message again. So how to constant delete student delete stud. Next, await. What is the model name? Student dot find by again find by ID, and here we require to pass only one thing, request dot params dot ID, request dot params dot ID. If not delete stud, so we need to pass the response dot the status of not 4, that is record not 4 dot json message student profile dot com. And once you completed this task, otherwise pass the status dot json. We pass the message here. So not 400, sorry, 200. Pass the parameter as sorry, not capital letters, small letters. Message student profile deleted. Okay. So this is the way of code, a small simple and code. So this code is related to delete student file. Okay, now let us check with the postman. Before that, we need to add the router. Yes. So better to copy this particular controller, paste it in the controller. Yes, here. Now we need to add the after update delete. So we need to paste. Sorry. Delete student. Okay. So now in this particular case, we are going to discuss about all the functionalities, spread operations, all the spread operations are completed. So now delete student, we need to so create a new one, copy same, no issue, no need to change anything, and only we need to So this ID is nothing but a get operation. This is the first. So last one is F. So no need to pass anything. No worry. Only delete operation you need to select it. Once you click the send, so API delete API students slash student. It is not found. Localhost colon. Okay. What will be happen? Delete account. But we are put it as a put. We need to change it as a delete. So that endpoint is not found. Okay. Press send. Okay. Message deleted. Okay. So whether it is originally deleted or not, let us check. Yes, deleted. Yes. So there is a no content is there. So if you want to do the found, again you need to update student profile is not found. Okay. So this is the way of operations, how to we are do the CRUD operations by using a REST API. Okay. Next video we need to integrate this update and delete with the front end form.